Hello everybody, welcome to Willa Dean's Kitchen Cooking Channel. Today is Wednesday, it's the midweek, middle of the week, hump day. So what we have here is some ingredients for a quick, easy midweek dinner. So I stopped by the grocery on my way home. I got some fresh asparagus, I got some of these fresh cherry tomatoes, I have some of my standard seasoning, garlic, salt, and pepper in this jar here, and we have some olive oil. So we're gonna roast up these vegetables to go along with this fish. I got 2 pieces of Mahi Mahi fish when I was in the market. You know, Mahi Mahi is a Hawaiian favorite. If you've been to Hawaii, you've probably seen this on the buffets or the dining menus out there. And in Hawaii, they got a saying, the fish tastes so good they named it twice, Mahi Mahi. Okay, so that's one of my my dad joke there. So I hope you got it. If you like Mahi Mahi, this is going to be a good dish. So also, this goes good with codfish. If you can't find a Mahi Mahi, codfish will work with this as well, or maybe some whiting also. So what we're going to do with the fish is we have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We have 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. We have some seasonings here in this bowl. We have garlic, seasoning salt, the Lori seasoning salt, some dry dill seasoning, and some black pepper. And we have some lemon. We have 1 lemon over here. So what we're gonna do is the fish is already seasoned some. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this mayonnaise and seasoning together, and we're gonna top it with the fish and the breadcrumbs. So we're gonna bake it off and have a nice crispy top on our fish. So I'm gonna show you how we get this done, and we're gonna have a quick, easy dinner for Wednesday night. Okay, we're going to start with our vegetables first. So we have the asparagus, which has been washed and cleaned up really good, and we're gonna just cut this right here, just like that. And we're gonna take our spears, we're gonna put them right here in this plastic bowl here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some seasoning to this, my standard seasoning mix. Some nice seasoning in there with some olive oil, just like that. And then we're just gonna mix these up really good. This is quick and this is easy. We have us a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. All right, we got the asparagus seasoned in the oil. We're just gonna lay these out right here on this baking pan. This baking sheet right here. Kind of spread them out so they're evenly coated. And then we have our cherry tomatoes, which we're gonna put them stem side down, just like this right over here. And we're gonna put some seasoning on those as well. And we're just gonna drizzle some olive oil over that. So our vegetables are ready to go into the oven. We got the oven preheated to 375 degrees. These should take about 15 minutes to cook. We wanna get them nice and tender, and then they'll be ready to serve. It's fish time. So what we're gonna do is I squeezed the lemon. I got this much juice out of that 1 lemon. So we got some good fresh lemon juice here. So what we're gonna do, real easy, like I said, this is Wednesday night. We're gonna take this mayonnaise, put it right in this bowl here. Just like that. We're gonna take the seasoning, and I just kind of mix everything up really good there. First, just kind of mix it up in there. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this right in here, just like that. And we're gonna add some lemon juice to that. Let's mix this up really good. So this is going to add some flavor to our fish. And we're going to use the breadcrumbs to add a little bit of crispiness and some browning on the fish. So what I have here is I have the fish in a pan, and we're going to go ahead and brush it with our mixture here. Put it right on top there, just like this. Make sure you cover your fish good. And as you can see, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise is just about perfect for this amount of fish. I mean, if you're gonna feed a family of 4, you can just double this right here. So now that we have the mayonnaise nice and lathered on the fish, here's the easy part. We're just gonna sprinkle some breadcrumbs right on the top. Just like that. And this is ready for the oven. So our oven is at 375 degrees. This fish is going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes and the vegetables for 15 minutes. So off to the oven we go. Okay, everybody, everything is done. The vegetables are done. The asparagus and tomatoes. We have the fish plated here on the plate. We have some lemon wedges on it. And what I've done to add a little zest to this is I made a nice butter lemon and dill sauce. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit right over these vegetables here, as well as a little bit right over the fish. So we have some nice tasty sauce to go with this as well. So this is our easy Wednesday night fish dinner plate. It's healthy, vegetables and fish. And what we're gonna do next is what we always do. We gotta give it a nice taste, see what it tastes like. Okay, we got everything plated up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a taste here. Fish looks good, it's got some nice brownness on it. And tomatoes have blistered, the skin has blistered. And of course the asparagus is nice and soft. So let's do this here. We're just gonna take a piece of this fish right here. This is Mahi Mahi. We have some of that sauce down there as well. Yeah, that's good. The fish is nice and moist. There's lots of tanginess and flavor coming through from the lemon and the dill sauce. And the breadcrumbs give it a little bit of texture as well. So that tastes great. Let's see if we can get a tomato here to go with our fish. Oh yeah, that is absolutely great. I got a couple of pieces of asparagus spears here. Oh yes, I love asparagus. It tastes great with that lemon dill sauce. The flavor just comes right out. So what we're gonna do is, I wanna thank you for viewing. I hope you try this recipe at home. It's nice and healthy. What I'm gonna do is finish off this plate of fish and vegetables, and that'll be my healthy meal for today. Thank you, and have a good day.